Hi, Ron Benning here with a Sacramento Duplex market update for the period ending August of 2025. In this video, we'll review the latest duplex market data, highlight important trends, and look ahead at where the market may be heading. Watch to the end to hear my duplex market prediction. August 2025 was a neutral market for duplexes in Sacramento. We currently have a 4.5 month supply of duplexes on the market. Now that's down 6.2% from last month, but up a substantial 104.5% from last year at this time. After a dip last month, inventory is again on the rise, and I expect that trend to continue moving forward. There were 29 closed duplex sales in August, down 17.1% year over year, but 16% higher than last month. So even though the long-term trend shows softer sales, we did see a bit of an uptick in closings compared to July. Pending sales came in at 37 properties, down 9.8% month over month, but still 42.3% higher year over year. This shows that the buyer activity remains stronger than last year, and it's probably because the rates are a little bit better. Buyer bargaining power. A couple of months ago, I predicted that buyer bargaining power would increase, and that's exactly what we're seeing now. The sold to original list price ratio dropped to 94%, which is down 5.1% from last month and down 1.1% from last year. This confirms that the buyers have more room to negotiate compared to earlier this year. The average sold price was $588,000, down 8.6% from last year, but up 4.1% from July. The median sold price came in at $580,000. That's down 8.9% year over year, but up 6.4% month over month. Overall, the long-term trend, as you can see on the chart on the screen, is that the average sold prices are still trending downward, even with the small bump in August. If you're enjoying this video and you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now so that I can keep you informed about the latest investing trends. Days on the market. The average days on the market was 36 days, up 16.1% from last month and up 16.1% to last year at this time. That's another sign that buyers are gaining more leverage as listings stay on the market longer. Mortgage rates. As for mortgage rates, they remain near multiple decade highs. The 30-year fixed rate average was 6.56 at the end of August. Now that's down slightly from the 6.72 at the start of the month, but nearly 0.5% lower than they were in January. That 0.1% rate decrease this past 30 days may lead to a slight uptick in sales this next month. But based on the current trends, I wouldn't be surprised if the inventory for duplexes grows this month. Break-even GRM. Assuming 25% down, the current break-even GRM is 12.17 for Sacramento duplexes. This is one of the highest break-even GRMs for some time, and this is because the interest rates have come down a bit. Any property on the list with a GRM at or below 12.17 will break even with 25% down, assuming no maintenance or vacancy on that month. Looking ahead, what am I predicting for the market? Over the next month or two, if interest rates continue to decline, we may see some relief in inventory as demand would pick up. However, if rates hold steady or move higher, inventory is likely to continue the upward trend. I'm not predicting a full shift into a buyer's market for duplexes just yet, but the pressure is definitely building. For buyers, you'll have more negotiating room than in previous months. We just need to target those properties with the right GRMs or aged inventory and make lower offers. If you're not already getting my weekly GRM reports, check the description below for a link or pause the video and scan the QR code that's on the screen now. If you're not already on our MLS feed for a list of all the available duplexes, check the description below for the link or pause the video and scan the QR code on the screen now. For sellers, you're going to need to stay competitive on the pricing because the market is starting to realize that there's been a downward pressure on pricing. If you want to know your duplex's current market value, check the description down below for the link or pause the video and scan the QR code on the screen now. And the same goes for your property's fair market rents. You can check the description below for a link or pause the video and scan the QR code on the screen now. Whether you're buying or selling in the next 7 days or 7 months, give me a call or text at 916-730-3846. I'd love to help you get a plan for a smooth and successful real estate transaction.